I'm speculating on this. They might have been out here originally, and then they decided to raise walnuts, and they probably cut it, grafted walnuts on it, and then planted these.
But they're in a row.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, shoot that one down.
So one of the things I'm thinking of, these may have been the original walnuts on the
Yeah.
property, and if the tree died but the rootstock is healthy, black line, right?
Oh,
Because
yeah.
that's what happens. Is
Yeah.
the top is infected. It gets
Yeah.
down to the rootstock, and the rootstock won't
Yeah.
let it in, and it kills the tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so this was probably black line. These are good. They're not. They don't have black line in them.
Okay, yeah.
But the top probably died of black line.
Oh.
And one of the things I think that might be happening with black line is transmitted in pollen. So if a tree is infected with black line, the pollen it sheds is going to
Will
have black
have
line in
black
it. So when it blows over and
Yeah.
pollinates the other tree, then
Yeah.
those trees will get infected. And so your frankettes are very late and you hardly have black line in them.
Yeah.
Their pollen is coming out at a different time than probably yours is.
Which is, by the way, is a good reason not to prune when you're near rain, right? Because I think he pruned last week. It was just before or just after rain, and
We usually
maybe I'm wrong,
prune
but the rain will spread the.
the black line.
It-
No, it's a pollen. No.
It's pollen, windblown pollen.
okay.
Yeah.
That's the only way it spreads. But other diseases can go in.
Yeah.
Now we know about this bot disease. It can go in through fresh pruning wounds in the rain.
That's why we prune usually in February every year, whether it's raining or not. The sap's not running. We
Yeah.
know it's still cold.
Yeah, okay.
You don't have to paint the ends of it so much. You probably still should, but we get
Okay.
lazy, I guess. But we do that and never have had a problem. So
And so it could be that bot isn't in this area.
yeah, it's. All I know is bot. Yeah, I don't know about
It's a
that.
newer
Yeah.
disease that we've been seeing showing up in walnuts.
Well, that's
but-
the one you
That's
talked
right.
about at Kingston
That's
2
right.
years ago, and
That's
that's why I was thinking, because we were having problems with fly husks and then that discoloration, I forget, the leaves or something. That's why I was thinking on that. Had you come out and check, because I didn't know anything about it.
That's a huge stump, though.
Yeah,
it's
that
big.
and that there's bigger ones. There's two down there.
Yeah.
And so you could actually go ahead and graft these, but if you're going to graft them, it'd be like take the strongest one that you like,
Yeah.
and you probably can do one on either side. Take one and then graft it and get that to grow, and then cut all the other suckers off. And then the question is going to be, will you have a continued problems with suckers coming up forever or not? I don't know, because we don't in the 50s they did a lot of grafting in response to black line, this kind of grafting, but that was a little bit before my time.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I don't really know what the results of it was.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know how to graft, so if you want to start grafting.